Hello everybody, it is little Yodi Coyote Vlogs here, and I'm just taking a little walk. Yeah, we're going for a walk and a sidewalk, and there's a hill, a beautiful hill, and there's a tree. I like trees, everybody does. See, look at that tree, look at him, that's a pointy. Oh, there's ants. Oh, well, let's move. Does everybody want to see a car? I know people want to see cars, but everybody likes this car. Here's a truck. Ooh, that truck. Oh, shit. Thank you, tree. Well, the reason why I am putting my thing down is because I don't want anybody to see addresses or anything. So once we get by the park where no addresses, I'll show you guys around. So there's a sidewalk. So yeah, I just want to say that it's very loud in here, so you might not be able to hear me. Okay. Oh, I should probably put a warning because there's a lot of noise. So it's because everybody is getting their pavement done, like on the sidewalks there. See that? I'm getting it done. Also, like my house is getting it done too. Everybody is getting it done. Okay, so now we're starting on our path to the walks. Oh, there's a car. There's a scary car. Just kidding. Okay, so here we go. Here's our path. There's our pond. And there's a broken thing. Well, that's awesome. I think that they're gonna take off this part too. All because, look at the same pavement. So, they probably are, but look at that. That's beautiful. Just zoom in there. Yes. Just so you know, I'm sorry if this isn't good quality. You can see that this is only my second vlog. Well, first one it's technically because we did a Brooklyn vlog, and then now we're doing my second video, which is kind of sad. I bet that I'm gonna come back to this video and then it's just gonna be a cringe. I know. And then look at that. Once there was lonely rocks, but then there was more rocks. Oh my god! More rocks than you can imagine. So, oh, there's a doggy. Look at that doggy. I don't know if you can see the doggy, but there's a doggy right there. Doggies are awesome. Oh, and if you haven't seen the page yet, I'm not sponsored, because I'm not a big YouTuber yet. But you should honestly go check it out. It's a really good movie. There's only one sad part, but I'm not going to tell you because I don't want to spoil it. So, ha. Oh my wow. Okay, people are coming. Oh, who just said? Okay. Well, this is a thing. And this is amazingness. That's a tree. See, look at that tree. Like, who doesn't like trees? I mean, like, goodness. So, well, we're going for a walk in our favorite helicopter. Wow, that sucks. That failed so bad. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Oh, by the way, since I need a name for you guys. So if you'd like, comment down below and just ask. Okay, just ask if what would you like? Like, who what would your name be? And there's gooses. I mean geese. Who calls them gooses? I mean geese. And that one's Itchy. Look at that, Itchy. Okay. So now we got the one and only Beware of Dog sign. I don't know if you could see it. Yeah, it's over here somewhere. It's the Beware of Dog sign. Because this dog almost, you can see that it's broken the fence. Okay, and it may have, or something, may have bitten someone. I don't know. It probably has, because they literally had to put more boards on the fence. But you know what? Today's not about the dog, or is it? No, it's not. It's about doing awesome things. Why am I going this way? It's way too far. I need to go back. This is so weird. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I went too far. I was getting too distracted. I didn't think that we would go to the park, but I guess I was going way too far. So I have to. Oh shoot! Duck. Why did the goose cross the thing? They're standing so still. I'm kind of scared because I'm gonna cross it. Oh my wow! This is scary. Okay, just go back. Just go back. Go back. You'll be okay. You'll be okay, little guys. Just go back. Just go. Just please. Please just go. Just go. Thank you. So now it's safe to walk. Cause your little goose feet, whatever. Sorry. He was looking at me strangely. See, look at him. He's just like, what'd you say about me? What'd you say? Huh? I'm gonna snap at you. Like, and look at amazingness. Just kidding. That's not amazing. My shoes are untied. Well, who cares? Nobody does, honestly. So we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. Follow the pavement road. I don't even know if it's called pavement, so don't judge me in the comments, okay? Just don't, okay? Please just don't. And also, this state, or wherever I live, is really hot. And I don't like it. It's like, look at the sky, it's so blue, and it's hurting my eyes. Ugh. This is like not good at all. Is it? No, it may not be. Well, there's the goose. It's off to see the Wizard of Oz. The goose is what's right there. So now we are going to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz. And just so you know, if you don't like noise, then just skip ahead like a couple minutes, like in a second. Like when we get to that thing right there, just skip ahead because nobody likes noise. I know a lot of people in my cul-de-sac hate noise, like fireworks. I don't like fireworks either. My dog doesn't like fireworks. And there's a broken thing, so we're gonna start hearing and that type of stuff. So yeah, I'm just gonna talk louder and put my